ਫਰੀਦਾ ਬੁਰੇ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਕਰ, ਗੁੱਸਾ ਮਨ ਨਾ ਹਟਾਏ। ਦੇਹੀ ਰੋਗ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਈ, ਪੱਲੇ ਸਭ ਕੁਛ ਪਾਏ। Farid, answer evil with goodness. Do not fill your mind with anger. Your body shall not suffer from any disease, and you shall obtain everything. P block elements, group 18 elements. By Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Group 18 element consists of 6 elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. All these gases, all these are gases and chemically unreactive. They form very few compounds. Because of this, they are termed as noble gases. Is the answer of question why group 18 elements are also known as noble gases. Helium and sometimes neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin, for example, pitchblende, monazite, cleveite. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Xenon and radon are the rarest element of the group. General characteristics: they have general electronic configuration ns2 and p6, except helium which has one s2, closed shell structures. They have very high ionization which decreases down the group with the increase in atomic size. Atomic radii increases down the group with increase in atomic number. They have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. All these properties of noble gases are due to their closed cell structure, that is, they have 8 electron in valence shell. Physical properties: all the noble gases are monatomic. They are colorless, odorless, and tasteless. They are sparingly soluble in water. They are very low melting and boiling point because the only type of interatomic interaction in these elements is weak dispersion forces. Helium has the lowest boiling point, that is 4.2 Kelvin, of any known substance. It has an unusual property of diffusing through most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glass, or plastics. Xenon fluoride compound. Xenon form three binary fluoride, XeF2, XeF4, and XeF6 by the direct reaction of element under appropriate experimental. Xe plus F2 changing into XeF2, Xe plus 2F2 changing into XeF4, Xe plus 3F2 changing into XeF6. It is the preparation of xenon fluorides. Xenon fluoride can be hydrolyzed again to xenon. XeF2 plus 2S2O changing into xenon, HF, and O2. XeF2 if treated with PF5, and we get XeF positive and PF6 negative. XeF4, SbF5, XeF3 will form an SbF6 negative. XeF6, MF, M positive, XeF7, where M is equal to sodium, potassium, rubidium, or cesium. Yeah. First, XeF2, XeF4, XeF6 are colorless crystalline solids and sublime readily at 298 Kelvin. They are powerful fluorinating agents. They are rarely hydrolyzed even by traces of water. All the fluorides of xenon are hydrolyzed by water. XeF2 and XeF4 are linear and square planar structures respectively. XeF4 has 7 electron pair, 6 bonding pair and 1 lone pair, and thus have a distorted octahedral structure as found experimentally in the gas. Xenon oxygen compounds. Hydrolysis of XeF4, XeF6 with water gives XeO3. XeF4 plus water changing into Xe plus XeO3, 24HF, 3O2 equation may be balanced. When xenon hexafluoride is treated as water, then we also will get XeO3 and 6HF, and XeF6 when again treated with water, XeOF4 and 2HF4. Here XeF4 is reacting with water. Similarly, XeF6 is reacting with water. If we change the amount of water, different products are formed. Partial hydrolysis and complete hydrolysis is given here. XeO3 is a colorless explosive solid and has a pyramidal molecular structure. XeF4 is a colorless volatile liquid and has a square pyramidal molecular structure. The structure are given below: XeF2, XeF4, XeF6, XeOF4 and XeO3. All these structures are given here. Uses of helium. Helium is a non-inflammable and light gas, hence it is used in filling balloons for meteorological observations. It is also used in gas-cooled nuclear reactors. Liquid helium find use as cryogenic agent for carrying out various experiments as low temperature. It is also used to produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnets, which form an essential part of modern NMR spectrometers and magnetic resonance imaging system for clinic diagnosis. It is used as a diluent for oxygen in modern diving apparatus because of its very low solubility in oxygen. This we understood in chapter 7 class 11 equilibrium. Now uses of neon. Neon is used in discharge tubes, fluorescent bulbs for advertisement display purposes. Neon bulbs are used in botanical gardens and in greenhouses. Uses of argon. Argon is used mainly to provide an inert atmosphere in high temperature metallurgical processes, arc welding of metals or alloys, and for filling electric bulbs. It is also used in laboratory for handling substances that are air sensitive. Uses of xenon and krypton. There are no significant uses of xenon and krypton, still they are used in light bulbs designed for special purposes. Question number 1. What inspired N. Bartlett for carrying out reaction between xenon and PTF6? He prepared a red compound which is formulated as O2PTF6. He then realized that the first ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen was almost identical with that of xenon. He made effort to prepare some types of compound with xenon and was successful in preparing another red color compound Xe positive PTF6 negative by mixing with PTF6 and of xenon. बार्टलेट को इंस्पिरेशन मिली क्योंकि जो ऑक्सीजन का कंपाउंड उसने बनाया था, ऑक्सीजन के कंपाउंड की जो ऑक्सीजन की आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी है और जीनन की है वो लगभग सेम सी है। तो उसने सोचा जब ऑक्सीजन ये काम कर सकता है तो जीनन क्यों नहीं। जो उसने ऑक्सीजन के लिए ट्राई किया था उसने फिर जीनन के लिए ट्राई किया और उसको सक्सेस मिल गई। How are xenon fluorides obtained? Already done. With what neutral molecules is a ClO negative isoelectronic? Is that molecule a Lewis base? Already done. 11th class. How are XeO3 and XeOF prepared? Just done in previous slides. Why do noble gases have comparatively large atomic size because their atomic size are van der Waal radii, which are always greater in magnitude. Okay, list the uses of neon and argon already done. Why are elements of group 18 are known as noble gases? Already explained, but still here given. The element present in group 18 have their valence orbital completely filled and therefore react with a few elements only under certain conditions. Therefore, they are now known as noble gases. React ही नहीं करते, बड़े मुश्किल से करते हैं, इसीलिए noble gas कहते हैं. Noble gases have very low boiling point. Why? Because weak dispersion forces. And noble gases being monatomic and have no interatomic forces except weak dispersion forces, and therefore they are liquefied at very low temperatures. Hence, their boiling point are very low. Question number 9. Does the hydrolysis of HCF6 leads to redox reaction? No, 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 no. Answer is no. The product of hydrolysis of XEF, XeOF4 and XeO2F2. The products of hydrolysis are XeOF4 and XeO2F2, where the oxidation state of all the elements remain the same as it was in reacting state. Why is helium used in diving apparatus? Done. Balance the following equation you can do. Why has it difficult to study of chemistry of radon? Because it is a radioactive compound. Thank you. Have a nice day.